Let's make a jig. This jig, I'm going after some very small bluegills. So I'm using 1/32 ounce number 8 sickle hooks, which still may be too big for these bluegills I'm going after. I'm going to do the white chenille, going purely with white with this. And I'm using white neck hackle, purely white. Just trying solid colors right now. Also have white thread, 210 Danvilles. I like the way that popped out. I've already pre-cut my feathers. I mean, they're real short with this size hook. A little tricky to work with. I'd made a couple jigs, green and orange. Same hooks. Tried fishing those for the bluegills at the local pond. And got some nibbles, but I didn't get anyone to actually take it. So I'm not sure if I've got the right hook size, which may be too big. Because these little bluegills they fit in the palm of your hand. You may need to go down to a size 10 hook. A little concerned about going too small because you get to the smaller hooks, you have smaller weights. The 1/32 on a 6-pound test didn't have any 4-pound. Was able to take that line down. I'm only fishing in 3 feet of water. Took it down nicely. So I was real pleased with that, but if I go with a number 10 hook, I'm gonna have to go with a 1/64 ounce. And that might be a little light for a 6-pound test. I like the way that laid down. Do my hand whip. Every once in a while I screw these up. Then I'll finish it up with just a little bit of hard as nails. But my thought here is that if I stick with some solids right now, I will, usually whites and blacks are two go-tos. So give these a shot. I'll make this one white, make another set of black. And We'll see how they do at the pond. So I'm fishing with a old Zepco. Probably the first one I ever got as a kid. It's probably about 50 years old, maybe older than that at this point. I put some number 6 test line on it, and just a little bobber, dropping it off into the water. Watch that bobber a little bit and see if I can catch some bluegills.